Good morning, class. This is Reena, your social studies teacher. I hope all of you are fine and safe. So, again, we are going to start our online classes, and I hope all of you are happy and safe. So, today we are going to start volume 2, block 17, rural government, and lesson plan 1, Panchayat Raj. Okay. So first of all, I want to tell you that if you didn't read the topic, so you have to read it again. And if you read it earlier, so it is very nice. So let's start with today's topic. So my first question is, what kind of a problem can your class teacher help you with and the principal? You need to think about the problems that are handled by your class teacher and teachers, and you need to think about the problems which are handled by your principal. I hope all of you are ready with your answer. So I think that some matters which are related with your class that are handled by your class teacher and monitor and your teachers, and some problems which are related with more than one classes that are handled by your principal, right? So in the same way, in rural areas, there are different types of problem which are related with one place and which are related with many places. So that are handled by different types of government. Some problem which are related with one village that is handled by Gram Panchayat, and some problem which are related with more than one village that is handled by Block-17, and some problem which are related with the villages, town and cities, so that are handled by Jila Parishad. So I hope all of you understand what we are going to learn about today. So today we are going to learn about the Panchayat Raj. So I feel that you already know what is the meaning of Panchayat Raj because you read the topic. But I want to tell you once again, when we consider Jila Parishad, Panchayat Samiti and Gram Panchayat, these all together make one government system that is known as Panchayat Raj. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the Panchayat Raj system. In this, three types of government comes. First one is Gram Panchayat, second one is Block Samiti, and the last one is Jila Parishad. So these are the resources which you should have with you, like your worksheet, content book, notebook and stationery. If you are having all these things, it's really very good. If not, please pause the video and bring that. So our today's keywords are rural, Panchayat Raj, Gram Panchayat, Block Samiti, Zilla Parishad. Rural areas which are developed, Panchayat Raj, in these three types of government comes like Gram Panchayat, Block Samiti, Zilla Parishad. Gram Panchayat is a panchayat who looks after a village. Block Samiti who looks after a block of 50 villages. And Jila Parishad who look after a whole district. Now it's a activity time. What you have to do in your activity? You have to read the story which is given in your Exceed content book, Life in Nursing Poor Village. Please pause the video and read the story carefully because related with the story, I will ask some question to you. So this is the case study which you have to read. So I hope all of you are ready with your answers. Okay. So now give the question or now give the answer of this question. What kind of the problem which are facing by the people of Narsimpur village? Think about it. Yes, the people of Narsimpur village are facing two types of problem. First one is water scarcity and the second one is there are no doctors. Like people in Narsinghpur are worried because there is a water scarcity. They are having not enough water to drink, to bath and do any other activities. And just because of water scarcity and they are also having a lot of diseases and no doctors are there to deal with that type of problem. So we can say in the Narsimpur village they are facing two types of problem. First one is water scarcity and the second one is no doctors to treat them. So who do they plan to go to? If they are having a problem like a one village, Narsimpur village, so whom they will go to solve their problem? Think about it. This is the condition of related with one village. So for one village, we are going to which type of government? Yes, definitely. Very good answer you gave. Gram Panchayat. So it is exactly clear. If a village is having any problem, so he will go to the Panchayat which is of their village, and that are known as Gram Panchayat. Now give me the answer of second paragraph. What problems are the people from other villages facing? Now I am not talking about one village, I am talking about villages. So what type of problems other villages also near the Narsimpur village? Yes, they are having also same problem, water scarcity and no doctors. They are also having same problem, but it is not only about the one village, it is about more than one village. So they will go to whom? Think about it. Who can help them? Not only one village, I am asking about more than one village. Think about it. Yes, very good answer you gave. They will go to block. They will go to Block-17. Very good. Okay, very nice. Okay, so Block-17 will help them. Okay, and Gram Panchayat, Block-17 will handle their problem, and when they will go to Block-17, they will suggest them that they should dig more and more wells. So for digging the wells, they need one more that is known as Zilla Parishad, because it is not only the problem of villages, it is the problem of related with the rural areas also. So these are the problems handled by Zilla Parishad. So they will go to Zilla Parishad. I hope all of you understand. First of all, if the problem is related with one village, then they will go to Gram Panchayat. But in the second paragraph, after reading the case study, we understand this is not only the problem of one village, this is the problem of more than one village. So they go to Block-17. After that, when they go to Block-17, so they will suggest them that they need to dig more and more wells, and for digging the wells they need a lot of money. So to get the money, they have to go Zilla Parishad, because they are going to deal it in a more larger scale. Okay, so these are the people, these are the government which help them to handle these type of problem. First one is Gram Panchayat, second one is Block-17, and the third one is Zilla Parishad. And these all together are known as Panchayat Raj. And in our India, we celebrate National Panchayati Raj Day in 24 April. Okay. Now, give me the answer of this question. What are the three bodies that help villages in solving their problems? Already we discussed about it, but you need to think about once again and give me the answer of this question. Okay? I hope all of you are ready with your answer. Yes. These three types of government help us. First one is Zilla Parishad, that looks after a district. Okay? And the second one is Block-17, that is going to handle the villages of 50 villages. Okay, and Gram Panchayat, that can look after a whole village. So we can say that there are three levels of governing bodies for the rural areas. First one is the highest is the Zilla Parishad, because it is going to handle with the problems of all the rural areas of a district. And the second level is going to Block-17, which look after a block of about 50 villages. Okay, and at the lowest level, if we are going to, so it is Gram Panchayat, which is especially for only one villages, and together they are called the Panchayat Raj. Okay, together they all are known as Panchayat Raj. Now coming next question, why do we need a separate government for villages? Don't you feel that one government is enough to handle? What is the reason behind it? Why we need separate government for every village? Think about the answer of this question. Very good. Yes, definitely. India is a very large country and a lot of villages, a lot of cities are here. So it is not possible for one government to handle all kinds of problem. So it is necessary to have a Panchayat Raj system for better administration, we can say. And even the Panchayat Raj is also divided into 3 levels, because our India is having thousands of villages and it is not possible for one government to handle all villages. So we are having different types of government related with the areas. Now it's time for the question for comment section. After this slide, one question will come in front of you and that answer you have to give in a comment section. In our earlier online classes, many students gave me the answer in comment section. I really appreciate, because they really attend the online classes. In the same way, again you are going to attend your online classes. So whatever the question I am asking in a comment section, you have to give the answer. Okay. So this question answer you have to give in a comment section. Okay. Write it and post it. Women are often not treated the same way as a man, especially in rural areas. What can rural governing bodies do to help women? You need to think about this question. Okay. How government can help the women in the rural areas? You need to think about it. Okay. And whatever the points is coming in your mind, that you can give the answer in a comment section. Question of the day. So as earlier we did in our online classes, this is the question of the day, and this question answer you have to give in a same day. You are not going to get 4 days, because earlier you get 4 days, but now you are not going to get 4 days. You are going to give the answer of this question in a 1 day, and the timing will be 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So this is the question of the day. Who looks after a block of 50 villages? Okay, and this question answer you have to give in an online exam. Go there and give the answer. One more important thing, don't forget your homework, because anytime we can tell you from tomorrow you have to submit your homework. So don't delay your homework, do it daily. It will be good for you and me. Okay. So this is the question, this is the S1 related with the block 17 lesson plan 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks boxes with the 3 level of Panchayat Raj system. Here you have to write what type of government is going to handle this type, who looks after this, who look after this, and answer the question. A village does not have proper drinking water. Who can solve its problem? We are talking about only one village, so answer you can write below that. And second question, a group of village need to build pakka roads. Who will check if the villages have money to build these roads? So when the village needs money to build these roads, so whom they go, you need to write here. Give one reason why need a local government in rural areas. Write about it. And write 2 things that rural bodies can do to improve the position of women in villages. Same question in your workbook and same question I asked in a comment section. So both side you have to write the answer, and I feel that everyone will give the answer in my comment section. Okay. Now questions that you are going to do in your notebook, whatever notebook you are having, where you have done your volume 1 homework and where you have done your volume 2 and 3 homework, doesn't matter. You can do any social study notebook. Don't worry about it. This question you are going to do in book, because it is related with the true false. The Panchayati Raj is a 2-level local government for rural areas. Okay. Think about it and write true false. Second is the Jila Parishad looks after the development of one village. And the third one is the Block Samiti looks after a group of about 50 villages. In second question, what do you understand by local government? You need to write this. And why do we need a local government for rural areas? That we discussed in a nice way. After that, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Okay. Third question is describe with an example how the levels of the Panchayat Raj system function. So here you are going to define about their levels, Panchayat Raj system, and you can define it by using your diagram also. So your homework is in notebook you have to do PQ 1, 2, 3, and in your workbook you have to do S1. Here it is written as 2, sorry for that. And from tomorrow we will start lesson plan 2. So you need to read it before starting your online class. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Be safe. Do your work in time. Please give the answer in a comment section. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.